In today's video, we will review the weekly maintenance for your Prestige R2. Always reference the maintenance chart provided with your printer to know which procedure is needed. At the end of your production week, you should always empty the waste ink bottle. This should also be done on an as-needed basis. Note that the waste ink tube should never touch the waste ink itself. The waste tube should always be in a downward position. Not following these two notes will create negative pressure. Use the up and down arrows to move the media back. Next, you will use the left arrow to move the printhead towards the middle of the printer. Then, turn off the printer. We will now clean the encoder strip. We will use 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol. Any other type of alcohol will damage the encoder strip. Use a lint-free cloth and apply isopropyl alcohol, then clean the surface of the encoder strip. Move the printhead as needed. Once that is finished, we will get another lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe the surface of the air suction vents. Move the media guide so that the entire surface is clean. We will now clean the pinch rollers and release the rollers using this lever so that the rollers move freely. We will now use a dry lint-free cloth to clean the pinch rollers. Do not use any alcohol on the rollers. Using any alcohol will cause the rubber on the rollers to harden and crack. Once complete, turn the printer back on. The printhead will return to its home position. Now we need to position the film again. Route the film under this bar before inserting it through the printer. Lift this handle in order to lift the media rollers, allowing for the media to move through the printer. Make sure to have these media guides pushed away all of the sides so that they are not in the way. Now with the film positioned as shown, with your other hand, pull the roll in the back taut, and use this method to position the media in a straight line coming from the media roll. Once the media is in position, pull this handle back down to bring the media rollers down so that the media is now secured. Now bring these two media guides back towards the center, just enough to cover the top of the film. You do not want the guides to push up against the film too tight. These are only here to prevent the film from lifting, which could cause a head strike. Once everything is complete, leave everything on except the heater and the LED lights. That is it for your weekly maintenance.